Community development associations play significant roles in grassroots development across the local government and local council development areas in Lagos State. To appreciate the contributions of CDC in Ejigbo LCDA towards the development of the council, the chairman, Monsuru Obe, joined the committee to celebrate a 2022 Community Love Celebration. The annual event witnessed the presence of council officials, state and local CDC heads, political, traditional, and religious leaders. Ejigbo LCDA chairman in his speech noted that love remains the foundation for a robust community interaction. He assured the fulfillment of all promises made to the CDC during his electioneering campaign and advised the leadership of the association not to relent in its developmental efforts.
I want to formally thank the CDC executives led by Prince Jalili Atiku Olorunfunmi for this very good program that they have initiated about 2 years ago. I'm quite sure you attended the first one. It's a demonstration of love. And today we thank God that it happened, the second time here in Ejigbo, that we loved ourselves, that we loved everybody. That during the campaign, we visited and engaged all the critical stakeholders in Ejigbo. And we sold our ideas to you, our manifestos. And you promised us that you are going to support us. And thank God, your vote, the mandate that was given to myself and the 6 councillors here, precisely July last year, is what we are witnessing today. We promised you a lot of transformational changes. We promised you a lot of contributions. We promised you a lot of ideas. We promised you that we are going to urbanize Ejigbo. And we are doing our best to ensure that these ideas or these promises come to pass. Today, one of it is what we are witnessing, the presentation of 2 vehicles to CDCs and to the luggage community in Ejigbo LCDA. It was part of what we promised to do. And we never renege on all our promises. Despite challenges, despite, turbulent, weathers or troubles that we have gone in the past. Legislatives and the good people of Ejigbo LCDA, I want to congratulate all of us here today that we are demonstrating to one another that we love you and we care for you. This administration will continue to look after your well-being. This administration will continue to work and ensure that no community in Ejigbo, no community, I repeat, no community in Ejigbo that will not feel the impact of our government in another 3.5 years, by the grace of God.
Some distinguished attendees at the event were appreciated for noteworthy contributions to community development.
Excellence Award presented to Honorable Kehinde Bambeto in recognition of your continued leadership roles and contribution to the growth of the community development in Ejigbo, local council development area, and states in general. Today, 24th of March, 2022. Well, it's a pleasure. I never knew I would stand here to present this before you as my Oga. With due respect, I humbly present this to you, and I pray that you do more for the community. God bless you.
Meritorious Service for Community Development Award is being presented to Alaja Mrs. Ewumi Dosumu in recognition of your continuous contribution to the growth of community and development in Lagos State. On behalf of our community, I want to present this to you and say thank you and continue to do good job. God bless you. God bless you. And this is the certificate. Thank you.
I feel highly delighted that this type of thing is happening. A situation where CDC is recognizing some members of the community for their contributions to the growth and development of their area is a way of telling others to wake up and contribute their own quota too. It will enhance more development and more people to do similar thing to the community.
My leader, Ashwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, that always say that there can be unrewarded talents. You can have talents, but that talent may not be rewarded. The same way, you can serve, there can be unrewarded service. So when you find God's grace and people appreciate your service, you thank God for making it possible for you, to be of service to people, and you see it as a challenge to do more in your next station. As I'm believing and I'm hoping that I will be elected the next member House of Reps, this is another challenge to me. It's calling me back to service and showing me that with what I've done in the past, I should go and do more.
I feel so much honored for giving me the award, and I appreciate Almighty Father for the grace even to deserve the award. It's an award well deserved. So I'm so grateful.
I have to say that the program is a very laudable one, because the Community Development Association, being the fourth tier of government, they have been performing wonderfully well in this LCDA. We have lots of things in common. There is synergy between the administration and the community development associations. So it's a very laudable program, and I will continue to implore them that we continue to support the administration of the executive chairman, who is the son of the soil, so that it will be to the next level.
It's a good thing in the sense that you cannot live in isolation. Development of every community cannot be done by one person. It's a collective effort. And that is why I'm appreciating the CDC chairman, in particular, Atiku, for his foresight and relationship he has with his members and the local government council in particular. That's why we are seeing this program, to honor them, to also thank you, because the truth is that when you honor people for the work they have done, those that were not honored today will be honored some other time, and they feel good and also believe that, look, if I can do like X, Y, maybe God will give me opportunity to be honored like them. So it's a good one. So I commend their effort, and I'm believing that God sparing our life, in a year's time, we will see better gifts, more vehicle, and more encouragement from the community to all of us.
The word that I would say is for us to be more committed, because the gift is not given because he want to give us gift. The gift is given us because the chairman understood that we have been working, and he wants us to work more, and we shall be working more. The essence of community development is for our community to move forward, to keep growing, and the welfare or well-being of the people to be protected. That is our goal, and we are committed to that, and we shall be committed more to that.
The program, like I said, is about demonstration of love, asking people to extend love to one another, that in a progressive environment, you make more good things to your people. But in a community or in an environment where there are no love, then there won't be any progress. But to identify with our people and to demonstrate to the CDC and the NOGE that the government too duly recognizes their contributions and their role, particularly during the pandemic period. We decided to put in our best by giving them these brand new buses to enhance their movement and also to encourage them so they can do more to the government.
Another event of the day was the presentation of buses to the CDC and Revenue Department of the LCDA.
It's very wonderful job you have done, and recognition of your support in any of our program. When you follow CDC, we are wasting much of time, you will find them in the council here. So we want to thank you, and today the Commissioner for Information and the CDAC chairman will present this omnibus to aid your movement, to improve your efficiency, and to, of course, allow you to compete with Aderounmu Bello University.
As a result of these activities, Ejigbo LCDA will continue to wax stronger.